Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I'm going to make a pasta salad using a pound of linguini, 3 tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, 3/4 bottle of this McCormick Salad Supreme, and a bottle of zesty Italian dressing. So the first thing we have to do is that we have to boil the linguine before we can add anything else. So let's get started on that. According to the directions for the linguine, it says to use a large pan and to use 4 to 6 quarts of water and bring it to a boil. So we will add the water and get it boiling. Well, the water is finally boiling. I think that will be the longest thing about doing this, is waiting for the water to boil. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the linguine in. I've broken that in too, but there we go. Just needed to get, and it says to cook 10 minutes or until tender. So we'll let that be cooking, and while that is cooking, we're going to come over here and dice up the tomatoes and slice up the cucumbers, and we'll be ready when this is done. Okay, I have already washed the tomatoes and the cucumbers, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to dice up these cucumbers. It really doesn't matter how thickness you are doing on them. I do have a slicer, but today I just thought I could do it like this. The one thing neat about this salad is that it's another one of those items that you fix, and it's really good if you leave it in the refrigerator overnight. So this would be ideal if you were being invited somewhere for a picnic, to leave it overnight in the refrigerator, and when you get ready to go, just take it out and it will be cool and ready for all to enjoy. And considering that the temperature here is already, today I think it's 88, this would really be good. Boy, that really seems like a lot of cucumbers, and it's only 2 cucumbers. So we've got all the cucumbers done, so now let's get on with the tomatoes. Okay, with the tomatoes, all I'm going to do is cut off the ends of them. And cut them in sort of thick pieces. And just sort of like quarter them up. You could use cherry tomatoes. The only thing with cutting them up like this is that you do have the juice and all from the tomatoes, and it does make it just a little bit better, to my opinion. So we're going to get these 3 tomatoes cut up. Okay, now all the tomatoes are diced up. So we'll just put them right in this bowl here with the cucumbers. And we'll check on the linguini and see if that is ready. Be real careful because this is really, really hot. Okie dokie. Now, while that is draining a little bit and cooling just a little bit, we're going to finish up the other ingredients. Okay, now I've got the tomatoes and the cucumbers in here. Next thing we add is 3/4 bottle of this Supreme McCormick's Supreme dressing, salad dressing. And since 3/4 will be well, let's do just a little bit more. That's probably 3/4 of it. Stir that up together a little bit. Blend it in a little bit. Boy, that really already smells good. Then you need a bottle of Zesty, Kraft Zesty Italian dressing. And the Zesty really makes a difference, how it tastes. So make sure you get the Zesty. I just want to make sure the Supreme salad is all mixed in. So now all we got to do is mix the pasta in with this. I guess that one piece that was hanging on just for me. Now mix it real good. Now after you get it mixed up real good, as you can see, it's got a pretty color to it. It's got a really good smell to it. Take your bowl and just put it in a bowl that you are going to Try not to dump it out on the floor like I almost just did. Now this is when I need Tom around, because if I was here when he was doing all his videos, I was always the cleanup person. I would do his dishes and get everything cleaned up. Most of the time he did his videos though while I was at work, so that when I got home I'd have something to eat. And he'd call me at work and he'd say, "We're having so-and-so tonight." And I'd say, "Okay." Especially if he was doing anything with chicken. I am really a chicken person. So if he was here, it would be up to him to clean up my pots and pans. But I guess since he's not, I will be the one to do all of this. Okay, all you've got to do for this now is either eat it, take your bowl full now, or put it in the refrigerator and let it set overnight, and then all the spices and all sort of blend in, and it makes a lovely, lovely salad. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it. I've got some other ideas I'm going to try, and I do appreciate all your comments, your feedback. And until next time, this is Kay and Tom, Around the House with Kay and Tom, and we'll be checking in with you shortly. Have a good day.